Many people dream of making smart investments but feel lost when it comes to where to start. You probably heard about Netflix, one of the world's biggest entertainment companies, and wondered, how can I make money from it? Well, you're in the right place. So listen, if you're curious about how Netflix can grow your savings, keep watching because it's easier than you think. First, you can buy Netflix stocks on popular apps like Robinhood or E-Trade. Second, check out how Netflix is doing in the market with tools like Yahoo Finance. Third, explore ETFs that include Netflix, like the Vanguard Growth ETF. Fourth, keep an eye out on Netflix earnings reports to track its performance and future. Lastly, consider looking at Netflix competitors like Disney or Amazon to build a strong investment portfolio. So don't wait too long to get started. Netflix is always changing, and the sooner that you begin, the sooner you're going to see how investments can grow. So hope you absorb that. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe for more exciting investment tips. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.